Hello everyone! Facebook Creator Studio helps you create, manage, publish, engage interactions and content across your pages. Click on this link or simply type Creator Studio while you're logged into your Facebook account. It's mainly dedicated to content creation and management, so let's waste no time. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. Facebook has its own page for desktop and own mobile app. As you can see at the top, you can manage both Facebook and Instagram. Choose the page you want to manage on the top left corner. You can easily create a post by clicking here and choosing the page where would you like to post it. Also, you can add a story, post a video, or go live. You can see all the scheduled posts right here, drafted and expiring ones. But before using Facebook Creator Studio, be sure that you've mastered tutorials such as detailed setup of Facebook page, how to open a profile, how to create Facebook page, how to create Facebook post on profile and page, how to create Facebook and Instagram story, and so on. By clicking on Create New button, you will open a list of options to post. Be sure that you're on the right page when you post it. You get plenty of different options that are necessary when creating a post. Upload video. One of the most important things when it comes to monetization. Would you like to upload a single video, multiple videos, or post across the pages? Interesting thing is that you can bulk upload videos up to 50 of them at a time. Click on single video. Choose one that you want to upload. The new window will open. Uploading a video is the same as uploading a video as in the post. Check out our video tutorial how to create Facebook posts and be sure to fill out text boxes, create thumbnails, and use all the necessary options in order to get more views and monetization. Pre-published. All your scheduled and drafted materials. You can search them through the table or through the calendar. Published. List of all your published materials on one or several pages. You can see when and where it's published. As well, you can make a search through the table or through the calendar. When you have posted something and on which date. You can sort them by type as well. All your content, videos, live, photos, texts, or links. Content library. Helps you list all your posts in desired period of time, with all the necessary details, whether it's published, monetized, or boosted. Post testing. You can test your content before you publish it. Choose a content type to start. The interesting thing is that image, or caption, or link posts can be compared against each other. Videos can only be compared against other video posts. Stories. List of all your page's stories and not just in the past 24 hours. Remember, by clicking on each post or story, you can see the insights. Videos you can cross-post. If you have similar pages, you can cross-post some of the videos. Playlists. If some of your pages have playlists of their own, here you can list them. Series. From here, you can create and share series. Like you have your TV show, right? Add series episode by episode. Choose the page. Choose the video playback if you want the unordered or chronological episodes. Write down a name and description. Poster art and cover image. Now you're all set up. Facebook becomes a browser and plenty of platforms in one, doesn't it? Clips. Here's a list of the clips. If you have them, you will find them listed right here. Instant articles. Articles from your site that load faster because they're hosted on Facebook. You can create them from here. Post timeline. Choose a page to see its timeline. And check them in one place. Insights. Very interesting part of the Creator Studio, all insights in one place, starting with Overview. That leads you right to your page's insights. Audience, then video performance, loyalty, and retention. Stories insights for each page you manage, instant article insights and their performances. Inbox. All the inboxes in one place. Monetization. First, check if your page is monetized. There are several tools that help you set up brand collabs and use other monetization tools. Brand Collabs Manager. From here you can manage brand collabs easily. If you don't know what Brand Collabs is, check out our video tutorial, Facebook Brand Collabs Manager. Creative Tools. It gives you options such as Live Dashboard and Sound Collection. You can go to Sound Collector right from this link, or you can use it from Creator Studio as well. There's a list of songs that you can use right from Facebook. You can also download them. You can narrow searches. But why do you need them? Each song is free to use, and you can add that free music and sounds to the videos you create, mix them, edit them, and then upload them to Facebook. Sound Collection is only accessible from your computer. Quite a handy thing, isn't it? For this feature, you will need to have your own program or app to edit sounds and videos. Settings. Marvelous place where you can see all your page's likes, how many people manage your page, who manages your pages, what is your role on each one of them. From here, you can create a new page, but be sure that you watched our video tutorial how to create Facebook page. Also, you can add people to your pages. Just click on a button, type down a name, choose a page and roll. Page settings. By clicking on that button, it transfers you right to the page settings page. Page quality. Are you ready to check the quality of your page? Click on the tab, page name, and check. Resources. Now there's a list of resources, events, ads manager, shop, instant articles. It leads you to the wanted source. For each one of the following, you'll need to have some previous knowledge, so check out our other tutorials as well. Now let's get through Instagram, but through Creator Studio. From here you can tag people in posts, turn off comments, and tag business partners in branded content. Create Post button gives you two options, one for post and one for IGTV. The good thing is that you do not need your phone in order to place posts to your Instagram account. You can do it easily from Creator Studio. When you create posts, you can share it to your page as well. Page has to be connected to your business Instagram account. In order to see all Instagram accounts that you have access to and manage them, click on Instagram accounts, then log into each one of them. Anyone with privileges to manage the linked Facebook page will also be able to manage certain elements of your Instagram account. From here, you can also manage page roles and permissions by going to Creator Studio, Your Page, Manage Page Roles. Content Library. Here you can see all the posts and stories that you ever posted on a specific Instagram profile. Clicking on each post or story, you can see the performance. Calendar. Place where you can list your Instagram posts by date and time. Clicking on the mentioned, you can see the insights of it. Insights. You can read insight activity and audience. Unfortunately, insights only show the last 7 days. Monetization. This is the place where you can manage branded content partnerships and other monetization options compared to performance metrics of 2 branded content posts. You can also switch between viewing posts you publish and posts your partners publish and tagged you. If you're using a mobile app, you can also list published posts, scheduled, drafts, and by using the filter icon, you'll be able to select specifics and search through posts. Tapping on this button, you're able to create posts directly from the mobile app. But again, all pages are in one place. You can choose whether you post a video, photo, or text. By using your mobile phone, you can check the metrics. If you publish something on via mobile app, it will surely show up on your desktop. You can edit your post and finish it via Desktop Creator Studio. It's different from a business suite, but still quite handy. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leeds. You've been very helpful.